Hey folks, Justin here with Moonshot23. If you follow the channel, you'll know that we've been putting up videos about the intelligently controlled craft. Well, after doing some more research on the video, I have found two more anomalies within that 6-minute time frame. I've also attached the Stellarium video showing that there was no satellites in the area, and I've done close-ups of all the anomalies at 70%. I hope you enjoy.
Oh, there's a slow moving one right there. Look at that. Oh, and it turns. We got a UFO, folks. We got a UFO. Go tell your mom. Straight up. Looking it off right now. Unbelievable!
I can't wait to break that
Down. There goes another one. See it?
Yup. I can't see.
I just saw that one. Holy shit. There goes another one.
I can't
Right
see.
there. There's fucking chaos going on right now.
It's a video just in itself is amazing.
We're gonna have to...
Alright guys, so this is from 6:07 on the 22nd, as you can see, through Stellarium. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna kick the speed up just a little bit. You can see that that green line is a satellite track, but as you can tell, there's no satellite at that time. And right now we are at 6:10, so it was a 7-minute video. There's 4 more minutes to go. I'll speed it up a little bit here. But as you can see, no satellites. And we are past. As always, I thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe on your way out.